In Python, updating a variable is something you will do constantly. Assignment shortcuts give you a faster, cleaner way to do it. An assignment shortcut combines a math operation and an assignment into one step. Instead of writing x equals x plus 1, you just write x plus equals 1, and Python knows exactly what you mean. Think of a piggy bank. You do not empty it and refill it every day. You just drop one more coin in. Plus equals works the same way. It adds to whatever value is already stored in the variable. We start by creating a variable called score and setting it to 0. This is our starting point. Score plus equals 10 takes the current value of score, adds 10 to it and stores the result back into score. It is identical to writing score equals score plus 10. Score minus equals 3 subtracts 3 from score. The same shortcut idea, just using subtraction this time. Score times equals 2 multiplies the current score by 2 and saves the result. Every arithmetic operator has its own shortcut version. Running the file prints 4 numbers. 0 is the starting value, 10 after adding 10, 7 after subtracting 3, 14 after multiplying by 2. Each shortcut changes score step by step. Both styles produce identical results. The shortcut is preferred because it is less repetitive and much easier to scan, especially when you have many updates in a loop. Remember, plus equals and its cousins are shortcuts, not new ideas. They do the math and save the result in one step. Once you start using them in loops, you will never want to go back.